Ninja Slushi buttons not responding? Try this first. If your Ninja Slushi won't respond when you press a button, no lights, no beep, no reaction, it's usually a power or alignment issue. Here's what to check when nothing happens. Step 1. Hold the button down longer. These buttons aren't super sensitive. Instead of tapping quickly, press and hold the power or preset button for a full second and then release. That's often enough to register the input. Step 2. Unplug and restart from scratch. If the control panel still doesn't respond, unplug the machine, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the internal system and clears any stuck state from a previous cycle. Step 3. Check for moisture or buildup on the panel. Dried sugar, sticky mix, or even condensation can block the buttons from registering. Wipe the panel with a soft, dry cloth, especially around the power and preset areas. Step 4. Make sure the vessel is seated correctly. The machine won't respond if the container isn't fully locked in. Remove and reseat the vessel firmly until it clicks into place, then try again. If the buttons still don't respond, there could be an internal control issue. Check the support link in the description for next steps. If this got your Slushi back up and running, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast fixes. And if sticky residue is a recurring problem, we've linked a soft electronic safe brush set in the description. Perfect for keeping buttons clean. Thanks for watching, and swirl in control.